taking collagen powder. Avoid these 7 dangerous mistakes. Seniors' health tips. Have you been taking collagen for a while now, but your joints still feel stiff? Your skin still feels thin? Or your recovery hasn't really changed? A lot of people over 60 tell me the exact same thing. They're consistent. They take their collagen every day, but the results are small or unpredictable. And here's the key. It's often not the collagen's fault. It's those little daily habits that decide if your body absorbs it right or just treats it like plain protein. Collagen is like a quiet nudge to your body, but it only works well when timing, digestion, and other bits line up. Get one wrong and the perks fade, especially as we age. Today I'll share 7 easy fixes that folks over 60 use to see real changes in joints, skin, and comfort. No hype, just straightforward tips. First, drop your age in the comments. It helps me tweak videos for 60s, 70s, or 80s. Habit 1. Skipping vitamin C. Collagen needs it like bricks need cement. Without, your body can't build properly and benefits drop. Vitamin C dips with age, so pair them. Grab a few orange slices, half a kiwi, or strawberries. Simple, right? Many say their skin's smoothed and joints eased after weeks. A Mayo Clinic study backs this. Hydrolyzed collagen reaches joints and protects cartilage, but nutrients like C help it stick. Habit 2. Mixing with big protein meals. Collagen's signal gets drowned in eggs or meat. Digestion slows after 60, so take it 20 to 30 minutes before or 2 to 3 hours after eating. Folks tell me this shift brought less stiffness and better mobility. Habit 3. Low stomach acid. Common after 60, it hinders breakdown. Signs, bloating, or fullness. Try warm lemon water sips or calm breaths before meals. Or pick hydrolyzed collagen. Easier on the gut. You'll feel lighter and absorb more. Habit 4. No movement. Collagen needs direction. Movement sends it to joints. No gym needed. 10-minute walks, calf raises, or gentle squats. Take collagen 20 to 40 minutes before. It amps up repair signals for steadier knees and balance. Habit 5. Wrong type. Type 1/3 for skin and tissues. Type 2 for joints. Match your goal. Don't grab random. Split doses if you want both. Quick switch. Big wins. Habit 6. Overlooking stress, inflammation, sleep. Cortisol from stress blocks. Building. Poor sleep skips, repair. Calm with 5-minute breaths, early dinners, short walks. A NIH review shows oral collagen boosts skin elasticity, but a calm body makes it shine. Habit 7. Wanting fast fixes. Collagen builds slow, like mending a fence. Give 3 to 6 weeks with good habits. It supports, doesn't cure overnight. Quick checklist. Take on empty stomach with vitamin C. Skip heavy meals. Add movement, right type. Aid digestion. Ease stress, sleep. Small steps, steady gains. Your body still heals, just guide it. If this clicked, type 1 below and your age. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks. See you next time.